Hello, SS family. Hope you guys are all doing great. You are all welcome to my kitchen today. Let's do this unboxing together. So I order something from Take a Lot, and it is 7 o'clock, and I received my parcel. So what is inside this box is a instant noodle set of pot. Yeah, as you know, a lot of kids love noodles, but my kids, they really love noodles. That's the reason why when I saw this set of pot, I say no, I really need to order it. I was a bit skeptical at the beginning because I was not sure of the quality of the pot. You know, when you purchase something online, you don't see it, you don't touch it, you don't feel it, so you're not sure about the quality. So I was really skeptical. But since he was saying instant noodle support, I said, okay, let me just go for it. Even if the quality is not good, at least I can only use it for the noodles. That's fine. But I promise you the quality of the pot is something else. As you can see, the color is very shiny. Yes, you can also use it as a decoration for your kitchen, but I promise you the quality is not bad at all. And you know, on Take a Lot, when you order something, they normally ask you for a review. I can definitely send a good review for this pot. So for anyone who would like to purchase this set of pot, yes, go for it. Go for it. The quality is not bad at all. And I'm going to use it anytime soon. I hope the pot doesn't burn so quick. But like he says, I'll start using it only for the noodles. And if the quality is good, why not for something else? So this is what I wanted to share with you, my SS family. The pots are great, and yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and for anyone who would like to purchase this, go for it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for dear life.